You've heard of Italian meatballs, you've heard of Swedish meatballs, but today let me show you Indian meatballs. Seasoned with onion, ginger and garlic and the most basic of spices, cooked to absolute perfection and crispy on the outside, these are meatballs that you won't forget in a hurry. Horns up and welcome to Meat India, my series where I showcase the best meat and seafood dishes that India has to offer, one state at a time. And this week we're going to the state of Meghalaya, where we're making a Khasi dish called Doshain. And Do means meat and Shan means minced. This is a simple meatball recipe and we're going to be making it with beef today. So anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. We're going to start by making a paste with some onions, garlic and ginger. And I'm using this trusty chopper of mine. You can use a blender or a mortar and pestle. I scrape down the sides and add a bit of water so that it can blend into a paste. Once that paste is ready, let's get on to seasoning the meat. I'm using about half kg of ground beef to which I add the paste of the onion, ginger and garlic. I season it with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then I add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and I put on the sexy black gloves and give it all a good mix. Now you can also make this recipe with ground pork or even chicken. Give the meat a good mix and massage for at least 2 minutes and then it's ready. Now you want to use something to measure out the meat and then shape them into meatballs. This way they are all consistent in size. I'm using this small little bowl I have. You can use a tablespoon measure if you want to make them smaller. Once you've made the meatballs, it's time to cook them and I'm going to show you 2 different ways how you can make these. Start with a cold non-stick kadai, add mustard oil, place the meatballs in and turn on the heat. Once they start frying, cover and cook on a medium heat. After 5 minutes, open it up, add a little bit of water and bring it to a boil. Cook it uncovered till all the water evaporates. You can keep flipping the meatballs every now and then. Basically, you cook out the water till the meatballs start frying. And you want to fry it till nice and dark and caramelized and gnarly. And then you remove them from the kadai. Also make sure you don't waste that oil, pour it over the doshain, and that's one way how to cook them. Method 2 is getting the meatballs in a cold kadai, add water and cover and cook on a medium heat. After 5 minutes, open it up and now once again cook uncovered till all the water evaporates. The meatballs will start frying in their own fat and all those beefy juices which have reduced down to a sticky consistency. Now I add some mustard oil for that flavor and fry it for another minute till nice and dark and gnarly. And then these are done as well. And that's our dish done and ready. These look absolutely delicious and trust me, Indian meatballs need to be on everyone's dinner table. They're that good. And just look at that cross section. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright folks, it's time to taste the doshain. And I can't wait. My kitchen has been smelling so good, but I had to shoot photographs and all that for the video. So I'm excited to try these. Let's dig in. Really? Yum. This is simplicity at its finest. No fancy stuff, not too masaledar, but it's got enough flavor and everything in this accentuates that beefy flavor, and the fact that we fried it, we cooked down all that water and it reduced and it coated the meatballs. This is really good. I mean, I apologize to all my followers from Meghalaya, but I am so going to be using this in sandwiches. Like I'm going to make a meatball sandwich out of this and eat it. I'm going to eat it with dal chawal. I can put it with pasta also. It is just absolutely delicious and such a versatile dish as well. And you can just snack on it as it is. But definitely eat it hot straight after cooking it. Anyway, this gets the horns up from me for sure. I hope you guys are going to make this because it's so simple. And like I said before, it is criminal that dishes like this from the northeast are not more well known across the world. So now you've had Italian meatballs, you've had Swedish meatballs, now please have Indian meatballs. Anyway, I'll see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep cooking. Seriously guys. Thank you to all my supporters on Patreon and on the YouTube channel memberships. You should definitely make this. I'm gonna go make this into a sandwich now, I think. Meatball some.